All right, y'all. We got me, Jeremy, CJ.
Yo.
We're about to do our first deaf, blind, and mute stream while cooking, bro. So I'm gonna be deaf, so I can't hear nothing. He's gonna be blind, so he can't see nothing. And CJ gonna be mute, so he can't say a word. All right. So, Jeremy, bro. This nigga can't say a word.
Wait, what? Wait, hold on now. What are we gonna plan?
Oh, do you want to do the eggs?
Sure.
So look, anytime, okay, I guess I can. Anytime you want to, like a close up, you can grab this, open the camera, and record something. We making breakfast. All right.
Read my lips, okay? What are you going to make?
What am I gonna make?
Yes.
Okay. What you got? Okay. You got, okay, I got pancakes. That's cool. You want? Okay. Got you. Oh, yeah. We gotta wash our hands. Hey, hold on, bro. Here. Oh, what the fuck? What did I touch?
What did I touch?
I don't even know what you're saying, bro. But this is just don't touch over there anymore, bro, because that's gonna burn your hand. If it was on, you would have been.
I'm not a damn baby. I've been washing my hands for me. I'm a grown man.
Honestly, bro, I think this is gonna work out like beautifully. Beautifully. You got it. Yeah, you eventually gonna get there, bro.
375. 375. Okay. 15 minutes.
Damn, I wish I knew what the hell was going on.
15 minutes? Okay, 375 for 15 minutes.
Oh. Doing good over there, bro. You can speak, but well, I guess I can't hear you. Bro.
Yeah. Boy, what is this? What is this? What about
This is kind of sexy though, bro.
Damn, what's the shit called? The shit you put cookies on.
You want to mix it?
Boy, what are you saying? 2, 3, 4. There's 4 biscuits.
How many do I want? How many are we making in total?
I think 2 biscuits per person. That's good. Okay. So I'm gonna make 6 biscuits.
So we're making 6 of these?
Yes.
And we're making 6 of these. Oh, you're asking how many we gonna cook? Like, okay.
How many is what?
Yeah, I've already made a mess, but hey.
Leave it at this nigga, bro.
I don't know what you said, but your reaction told it all.
Lower that bitch down. I'm gonna need one of y'all to let me know what it's like.
So 16 minutes? What the hell's going on, bro? I hope these biscuits come out cool, bro. My fault.
Damn, that bitch eat up fast.
Excellent work, bro. Excellent work, bro. Excellent work, bro. All right.
Nigga, I'm not making eggs.
I can make eggs, and then you can flip the pancakes whenever they come out, bro.
Yeah.
I'm going around you. It's all good, bro. Excellent crack, bro. Excellent crack, bro. Yep, there you go. Yep. Oh shit.
What?
Nothing.
Lowry seasoned salt.
Not gonna lie, might be way too much water in here, bro. Huh? Like what the happened? I didn't read the measurements at first. You said start over now, or just add more dry mix. Add more dry mix. I think this is gonna turn out amazing.
Same.
Whatever you said.
Chef. Ass?
What the hell was that?
Bacon? Pancakes? Nigga, did you slap my ass to say cakes? You just said pancakes.
Hey, but to be fair, it did say it needed to be thickened. Thickened. Like just sit there and thicken. One more time. Tell him.
Fuck you mean one more time?
Tell him that the stove is on.
Oh yeah, I know the stove is on. So why am I here? I'm gonna be whipping the scrambled eggs. All right, you got a spatula?
My fault, bro. Oh, the biscuits up. The biscuits are done, bro. Hey, it's looking cool now, bro. Did you hear me, bro? Drop the niggas in the hood and then swap genres. Green light, line the nigga up, stop sign. Drop you and I find them. I'm an anomaly. I turn into a rapper, ironically. I think it's going back and forth. Okay, there you go. Yep. Scrape it off the side a little bit. Yep. Yep.
Oh man, I'm doing God's will right now, but the chef, it's in my genes. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if I'm blind, I'm still make a good ass
Niggas
meal.
yapping and I have no fucking idea what he's saying. You dropped it. Yep. All right. Well, hey, all good, bro. We're gonna get you another one.
I'm smelling the eggs. All right, man. I think the eggs are done.
Pancakes ready for the pan. On me.
All right, I need somewhere to put the eggs.
Turn it off. Tell him that it's on low. It's on low, bro.
The eggs? Okay, that's good, because they cooked already. Yeah, okay, bet.
Like, what the hell's going on, bro? This bill right here, bro.
So what?
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 You saying what to me?
What are you saying?
I would say
You just keep repeating the same thing.
What you say, bro?
If you ain't got shit to say, don't say nothing.
I don't know what you're saying to me, bro.
You still saying something.
Just nod your head if you're being disrespectful, bro. Okay. Oh, back up, bro. Back up, bro.
Nigga, you not gonna dap me up?
No, bro.
Nigga, why?
What? You saying what's up?
I'm saying why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because you were being disrespectful.
No, the fuck I wasn't.
Huh?
Nigga,
Yes, you were, bro.
man, don't listen to that fuck nigga. Got 2 bacon, got 3 bacon, got 4 bacon, got 5 bacon, got 6 bacon, got 7 bacon, got 8 bacon, got 9 bacon, got 10 bacon, 11 bacon.
Look at this nigga counting for
10.
At least put a number up, bro. Oh, okay. You don't know?
Depends on how much fat. You know what I'm saying?
What the hell was you were digging something up? I'm about to go first, bro.
Is he doing good? I think you might need a little bit more batter.
Don't burn, pancakes. Don't burn, bro.
Hey, bro, that's on you. Don't burn my damn pancakes.
Ready?
He flipping that motherfucker? Yeah, let me see.
Good job, team.
He made too much? He put it in? What? He ate it. He hit that motherfucker. You spit on it?
Alright, Jern.
Uh-huh.
Get fucking luck.
What?
Just make sure when you pour it slowly and make sure it stays in the middle.
I'm pouring my own pancakes?
That's what the fuck you just said, bro.
CJ, I'm making my own pancakes? Why? He making everyone's.
Yeah, that's the fryer, bro. So just don't touch that. Okay.
What?
Huh?
What?
I was just trying to get closer to hear you, bro. That's all it was.
What did you do? CJ, what did you do? Nigga, did you bite me?
Huh?
I think the nigga.
What the hell?
Freak ass.
What? Oh shit!
No, nigga, you burnt it.
Oh, we're good. We're good.
Okay.
The eggs are good. Tell them we were doing cinnamon for one and vanilla for another one.
Pancakes?
You try to tap me?
No, if I give you a pat on the back.
Oh, there you go.
What? Am I holding something?
You said you wanted to give me a.
What is this? Whose phone is this?
Hold the camera.
Oh. Whole time this phone could be turned off, I wouldn't even know. So why y'all got the blind nigga being the cameraman? Huh? You can like repeat that? I ain't hear you.
Alright. You want me to hold it, bro?
I mean, I thought I was doing a good job being the cameraman. And I was getting all the shots. Better not be smelling somebody's ass, bro.
We can do a harder dish. Some chicken based.
Oh yeah, we definitely gonna
Whatever you're saying to me, bro. Like, what the fuck?
We gonna be on that toilet after that meal, man. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you're doing it on purpose.
No, you, me,
We're gonna get food poisoning?
yes! I mean,
You're gonna be shitting? Because what was that? We have a fat ass?
What?
Yeah, I wish you could see what he's doing, bro. This dude said it's gonna taste like buns, bro.
Man, tell him to. You heard
What?
Tell him to stick it up his ass. What? When the pancakes are done? The fuck is that?
The hell?
That's what I'm saying.
We're gonna heat it up? Or we're gonna put the stove on low?
Oh. So you were trying to do the Indian rub burn.
What the hell, man?
Thank you, man. You know, I appreciate you for like letting us your pancakes and shit. Thank you.
What? Shake my hand, bro.
I don't think you can speak.
Cupcake?
What?
Deep throat by cupcake?
What?
Yeah, it's like on the side. You might have to straighten it up. You got nothing on the clutch.
Go ahead, everybody, hold hands.
You said you were like, I promise you were like a millimeter away from my balls, bro. When you did that, bro. Honestly, bro. Look at me, bro. Other way. Straight in the middle. A little bit to your right. Alright. So like I think we did an excellent job. Oh, should we? Okay. You can take off your blindfold, bro.
Oh. Oh, shit. Yo, wait, no, I actually need to act. I actually need to like, yo, I'm blind. Holy shit. I feel sick.
My ears feel like, I feel like I'm not hearing the same right now.
Holy fuck. Hey, is this real?
Let's pray.
Heavenly Father, I thank you for this meal today. I had an amazing time with some friends, making a wonderful meal. You know, all for Jeff's dream. I hope this does supremely well. I pray for the success of Jeff and all his adventures and, you know, all his goals in life. I pray he reaches up, hits all their milestones. You know, I'm praying for CJ too, and for me and for all of us. We're going to enjoy this meal today. We all cook. Pour our blood, sweat, and tears into this, Heavenly Father, and I know it's going to be a good meal. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Man. We go to plate. Can't really think for it too much. Hey.
Yeah, bacon. My bacon's down with me. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
What y'all rating the plate, bro?
10.
I concur.
10. For us to be blind, deaf, and mute.
In that video, comment what roles y'all want to see, what meals y'all want us to cook. We gonna see y'all in the next one.
Hello, I'm back again, stone cold rapping it. I work hard, so when I'm on the track, I'm overlapping them. They know that I'm royalty, so they wanna put a cap in it. They looking like white tees when the plane lands, when they clapping it. Yeah, time to make the underdogs mad. Chasing them yellow bricks, I'm the Wizard of Oz grad. Give them something they can't refuse, call me the Dad, cause I'm blocking away these hoes I made.